Hey, so I've been up all night trying to go to sleep. It's not working. As you can hear, I'm losing my voice. All I've done is cough. I'm glad I went to sleep earlier. I went to sleep at like 8:20 and woke up at 11. And then I was up for a little bit getting ready for school. And I tried to go back to sleep at like 1, but that didn't happen. And now it's like 2:30. I have to be up at 6. I have a feeling this will be a really long night and a really long week. I don't know. Because Friday is the football game before the first contest. Yeah. I don't like being sick. So, yeah. This sucks. I've been playing Pogo for like the past hour because I gave up on sleeping now. Not really hour, 30 minutes. So, I don't know. I'm just gonna like sleep during yearbook tomorrow. Because I don't think I really want to start putting stuff on pages until after I get most of the pictures. Bye.